Bonjour à tous. Welcome back. You already know how to say your name, age, and where you live. Today, let's go further. You'll learn how to talk about your nationality, languages, job, hobby, family, and even your personality and dreams, in simple French. On y va? Let's go. Let's start with your nationality. Now to say your nationality, just say, je suis. I am, for example, je suis indienne or indienne, I'm Indian. Tip, if you're a woman, you have to add to some nationality and the will also be pronounced. Like, français will become française. Espagnol will become espagnol. You can also say, je viens de l'Inde means I come from India. Je viens du Canada or I come from Canada. Je viens des États-Unis meaning I come from the US. Now let's talk about languages. To say what you speak, use je parle. Meaning I speak example, je parle anglais et hindi. Je parle un peu français. Je parle couramment anglais. I speak English fluently. You can also say j'apprends le français. Which means I'm learning French. Next, let's talk about what do you do? Are you a student, or do you work? If you are a student use, je suis. And if you work use je travaille comme. Means I work a. Let's understand this with examples, je suis étudiante en biologie. I'm a biology student, or je travaille comme professeur. I work as a teacher. If you don't work use, je suis à la retraite. I'm retired. Let's move on to something fun, hobby. To talk about what you like, use, j'aime. Example j'aime lire et cuisiner meaning, I like reading and cooking. You can also say, je fais de la danse which means, I do dance, or je joue du piano. Which means, I play piano. Use j'aime and tell me in the comments what you like to do. Now let's talk about your family. Use j'ai. To say what family members you have. Like j'ai une sœur et deux cousins. I have one sister and two cousins, or je vis avec mes parents. I live with my parents, and lastly, je suis enfant unique. I'm only child. Okay, now let's describe your personality. What kind of person are you? Just say, je suis. Example, je suis gentille et créative. Means I am kind and creative or je suis un peu timide which means I am little shy. You can also say, je suis sociable, drôle, motivé, etc. Et toi? Tu es comment? Finally, let's talk about what are your dreams or goals? To tell about your dreams, you can say, je veux devenir médecin means I want to become a doctor. Mon rêve, c'est de voyager en France. My dream is to travel to France, or. J'aimerais apprendre le français couramment. I'd like to speak French fluently. Let's put it all together. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Aria. Je suis indienne et je viens de Mumbai. Je parle hindi, anglais et un peu français. Je suis étudiante en psychologie. J'aime lire et faire du yoga. Je vis avec mes parents. Je suis calme et souriante. Mon rêve, c'est de vivre à Paris un jour. Now it's your turn. Can you make your own version? Bravo mes amis. Now you can really introduce yourself in French. Comment below with 5-6 sentences about you in French. Like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Merci et à bientôt.